Hi, Chad. Welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? Let's see. It is Monday, the 24th of October of 2022, and we are back for yet another stream. We've got two notifications to replay from L'Assault, who has resubbed at 14 months, and Walker Coates, who has resubbed at 19 months. Thank you both for your continued support. It's good to see both of you again. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm doing all right. It's been a rough weekend. It's been a rough weekend. So basically nothing went right on my trip, which is unfortunate. I went to Las Vegas to see When We Were Young Festival, and there were 3 days of festival, each identical, and you only buy tickets to one day. And the day that I bought tickets to got canceled because there were 65-mile-an-hour winds in Las Vegas and sandstorms and all sorts of just crazy shit. And it was canceled like 30 minutes before the show started. So it was just like, man, everyone excited, just got out of bed, ready to go listen to some emo pop punk, and then tweets from some of the artists saying, "Oh no," and then the official statement from the venue being like, "Well, no show, all canceled." So that fucking sucked. And I don't know, to kind of make up for it, some of the artists did some like makeup shows, including my favorite artist, the All American Rejects. But it was at a venue that only stood about. This song sucks. This song. Next song. A venue that only had about 200 to 300 people. I was about 350th in line, so did not get to see that show, which was a real bummer because they played a bunch of songs that they haven't played in a long time. What else? My hotel fucking sucked. Oh my god. This is probably the worst hotel I have ever stayed in, and I've stayed in like shitty 1-star motels before. It was somehow worse than that. And the people at the front desk were really unhelpful. As I was checking in, this guy like mumbled a bunch of shit about, oh, we can upgrade your room so you get a refrigerator. I'm like, I don't need a refrigerator. Blah 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 blah. And while he's mumbling, he's like, yeah, and then you'll be able to smoke. And I'm like, I don't smoke. No smoking, please. But apparently, what he was telling me was that you had to upgrade to get to a non-smoking room, and that was not the default. So we were in a smoking room all weekend, which was just fucking miserable. And our hotel room was the most fucking jank piece of shit I've ever been in. There was no soap anywhere, which was great. Yeah, the ceilings were yellow, and it wasn't because they were painted yellow. Everything smelled like smoke. There wasn't even central AC. There was just like a window AC unit. And it was awful. But I don't know. We made the best of our weekend. Hung out with Juicebox Hero and Shoddy, and I don't know, did some stuff. Got some food. We did karaoke to sort of make up for not actually going to the festival, and so we did 2 hours in a karaoke room and sang some songs there, and so it felt, I don't know, felt a little bit better. But yeah, overall, not a great weekend, and you know, at least my tickets got refunded, but like, just sucked. It was just really fucking sad. But anyway, let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into stuff. Kegsit was here before the stream started, but JJMC was first. Hello to both of you. And you're going to sleep. Sounds good. Chris Redwine, hello. Walker Coates, good to see you again. Oramis is also here. Vimserv, how you doing? L'Assault says, did somebody say party? I mean, as much of a party as looking around with code is. But yeah. Beldothis is also here. How you doing? Panos Track, hello. Although you've changed your name to Pantrack X. How you doing? Welcome back. It's been a while. It's been a hot minute. Good to see you again. Saw your weekend tweet? Yeah. We had We had sad tweet. That's not on Twitter. That's GitHub. GitHub's not Twitter. But yeah, festivals canceled due to high winds. Sad face. Me, Shoddy, and Juice hanging out. But yeah. You got the Friday tickets, the Saturday tickets. The Saturday ones were canceled. But how you doing, Dead Robot Dead? Hello, hello. I saw the artist I follow complain about it on Twitter. Yeah. The Audacity canceled that late. Yeah, no, that's what's fucked is they knew the night before that it was going to be like 60-mile-an-hour winds. They knew, like everyone knew. I mean, we were sitting around at a bar and joking like, haha, it's pretty windy tomorrow. You know, it'd be real shitty if they canceled this on us, and then almost willing it into existence. But yeah, it fucking sucked. But anyway, grab his iPad. Hello, hello. My wife had to stay an extra day and got another ticket for Sunday. Oh man, that's lucky. Yeah, we were looking at buying tickets for Sunday because we did stay. I mean, I just got off my plane. We did stay through Sunday, but they were the scalpers were like 5,000 a ticket, and we were like, not worth 5,000 a ticket. But yeah. A real bummer. Yeah, you smoke. Yeah, the fact that smoking rooms exist in 2022. Yeah, that's what fucking blew my mind, It's like I didn't even think that was a thing I have to ask for anymore. Is like smoking or non-smoking. Like in Michigan, you cannot smoke indoors except in designated smoking areas, and in Las Vegas, it's just like fuck it, you can smoke everywhere. Which is, yeah, I guess just how things go. But yeah, Random Neo. Hello, hello, welcome. Debe, good to see you again. You could probably gain 100 places if you start singing. That was the other thing is like, I strongly suspect that most of the people in front of me in line, I don't want to call them fake fans, but yeah, I feel like very few people there cared about the band as much as I did. I know that sounds stupid. I feel like really petty saying that, but at the same time, why didn't you stream your karaoke? I don't know. Oh, we just didn't. Pedro, hello. Blueberry Jam, welcome back. Still stuck on 2-7. Oh no. Pandoxer, hello. The Devil Kid, good to see you again. I can imagine the first gig I ever went to got postponed and I nearly couldn't get to it. Can't imagine how good it'd be if a whole day of shows got canceled. Yeah, well, the fun thing is like, I mean, it doesn't really impact me that much. Like, a hotel for a day, like, or a hotel for 3 days and a flight, like, I mean, it's a significant amount of money, but some people, that was, they saved up a shit ton of money just to do this, only to have it all canceled. It was like way shittier for them. I'm basically just saying like, I'm in a place of privilege that I can't really complain so much about, but like a lot of other people, this cancellation was a huge bummer, a huge hardship for them. But anyway, kind of sucked, but that's the way things go. Yeah, 5,000 Steve Bandito. Yeah, I immediately checked like the ticket resale sites, and they were like, whoop, real fucking expensive. But yeah. Doing good. Just been gaming and doing a little bit of planning. Nice. Mark Code says, fun fact: playing the lottery is illegal in Vegas. Is it really? I didn't know that. Wild. Pedro says, after some disappointing time around a Bitbucket pipeline, I think I'm going to give it another go. I feel like those guys building a massive pyramid of cards only to have a Bitbucket sneeze and throw away your last 12 hours. Yeah, I've not heard good things about them. Wholesome Thought, hello. What was the event called? When We Were Young Festival. Yeah. Tofu says, when my family and I went to Motel 8 this past summer, that whole place smelled of smoke. It was so bad. Yeah. Oh, it was awful. There were people who flew in from like Chile and Japan. Yeah. Oh, we talked to all sorts of people that were like, yeah, we flew in for this. We got our passports updated so we could get here, and like we have to quarantine for a week when we get back. And it's like, oh, yeah, and everything got canceled. Siobhan, hello. Hello. Good to see you again. Oh, got the hiccups again. Why do I always get hiccups when I stream? I don't know what that's about. Fired Bang XP, hello. Python 3.11 up to 10 to 60% faster than 3.10. Yeah, they've been doing some performance stuff. Forgot about travel and accommodation. You don't get those back if the show's canceled. Yeah. How was Las Vegas? I mean, I learned that I don't give a shit about Las Vegas. It's like I don't gamble, and the rest of it is just kind of like touristy trappy stuff. Like everything is extremely big. I don't know. We made do with what we had, but I wouldn't say that Vegas was fun. Like I would not go there just to go there. It's just not my jam. Yellow Card's playing the festival next year. Yeah, I am not gonna get tickets for next year. I'm just gonna hope that Yellow Card does like a normal tour. I'm already seeing, and I'm seeing Blink-182, so like that's the two big ones that I would want to see next year. But yeah. But anyway, that's that. So the news for today is Python 3.11 has been released, and I usually do a bunch of stuff after a release happens. I don't remember what those things are, so I have written a checklist for myself, but we'll be taking a look at that soon. Oh, they didn't even announce it here. But anyway, you can see it on the GitHub. Meat Sauce, hello. How's it going? Tags. Yeah, so you can see 3.11.0. What does this mean? Oh, just the tag message. Oh, are they doing unannotated commits now? Or is this the commit message? Are they light tags? They're light tags. Okay. Cool. Was it a good break from coding / streaming? I would have rather streamed, to be honest. Yeah, but such is life, I guess. But yeah, anyway, 3.11 is out. I did a video on 3.11, so if you want to learn about what's new in it, I would recommend checking out this video. But yeah, 100% prefer tour. I'm UK based, so that'd be an expensive. Oh, yeah. Well, they're supposed to play in the Yellow Card is supposed to play in the UK, in like a pretty soon festival. Which I was like looking at, but then I was like, I'm not gonna go to. No, not this. How the fuck am I gonna find this? Their website last time was just a bunch of this fan wall and this a MySQL warning. Parameter must be an array or an object that implements countable. Which is pretty funny. But they're playing some tour in the UK. I forget what it is. But I saw them at Riot Fest and it was awesome. But yeah. 3.11 is out. Yeah, 3.11.0. Straight up 3.11. It seems like it's sort of caught up to us. It just came out of fucking nowhere. But yeah. Siobhan says, since getting into programming, it's all I think about. Anyone else have this? I need some other hobbies. Man, I have all sorts of hobbies. Too many hobbies. But yeah, a good chunk of them are programming ones. Mitsa says, is there a video of yours explaining how to grep an already committed code? I probably run git grep in some of my videos, but I don't think there's a standalone one. Explains git grep. Oh shit. Today I talk about what I consider one of the most powerful tools when working in a code repository, git grep. It searches files and only files which are checked in. Episode 231. There you go. I do have a video, Meat Sauce. Precisely what you're looking for. Low Flow, hello. Welcome. Come to the UK? Maybe. I'm not in the UK. I'm in Michigan. Samdung Festival in May. Yes, that one. 2023. This one? I think so. With Yellow Card. Yes. But yeah, Sunday, May 28th. I think I'm seeing a different concert that day. Blink-182 tour 2023. I think I'm seeing Blink-182 that day. Oh no, May 9th. Maybe I could go to the UK. But anyway, Check says I have many hobbies: game dev, web dev, mobile dev, CTS. Right. Golden Lion, hello, welcome to the stream. Lassault says I'm also in the UK. You can come around and upgrade me to 311. Oh no. Wee Tommy, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Neck Corp, welcome to the stream. What are some of your hobbies? I guess we can start with like exercise-based ones first. I enjoy running, cycling, rock climbing, indoor bouldering, skiing, downhill ski racing. I will play baseball if I can get enough people together. I used to play soccer, football. Non-sports hobbies. Cooking and baking. Streaming, of course. Open source. I'm sure there's something I'm forgetting. Anyway, those are most of my hobbies. Box of Ninjas, hello, welcome. Why does brew install also install Ruby? Yeah, brew install Nano pulls in like fucking like the goddamn world. But yeah, there's all sorts of stuff that comes in. Online says, do you think there'd be interest in a game meant to teach regex? I feel like you have been to my stream before and you have showed me this game. If not, someone else has had the same idea. There's also this regex crosswords, which I really love. And so if you can find a way to make more of these, I fucking love regex crosswords. Here, I'll show you kind of the example. Oh, I've already done this one. Do we do all the... Let's just find like a... Here we go. Grape Pez. VPE. GRA. Oh, it could be G here as well. So GRA. So it's either GRA, G or R here. Star. The star is obviously a plus. So it can't be PO. It could be R, it could be G, can't be E. P plus dot star. So this means there has to be at least one P, which helps us. This is not ion or white space or S. And this is spic or white space. So it can't be white space because we have a contradiction here. So the overlap of this is SPIK. This has to be an I. Which means this has to be a Z. KIS white space. Plus something here. COOSOP. Well, we have dot star, so it could be any of the ends there. Oh, but if we see a P, this has to be an O. Which means this has to be S or P. It can't be a P, so it has to be S. Which just leaves us with this one. GIN. Oh, it has to be a G then. Doesn't spell anything. Or really? Fuck. What do we screw up here? Ah. Not ZYP. Okay. How do I undo? Back to the ones that we definitely know. Ion or white space. SPIK. Ion. SPIK white space. Can't be white space. We know it can't be an I. Oh, I guess we could be... It can't be an S, so it has to be P or K. But it can't be K, so this is right. This has to be P. Which means this has to be O. Okay. This has to be S or P, but it can't be P, so it has to be S. Yeah, we got that, sure. We had this letter before. What was it though? This has to be a Z because of this XYZ here. Oops. Oh. What did I just get rid of? This was S. So this is actually the same as this one before, so it could be P or K. There's no P in here, so this be. Does it keep moving around? That's BK. I feel like this is what we had before. And then this one has to be either GRA. So it's either GRR or GRR or G. This be G. This is not what we had? Oh, okay. I see. I see. What did I miss? What running shoes do you use? I have 2 pairs of Nike something or another. I don't remember what they are. I need to buy new ones because my soles are flat, or the gripper part, the bottom. I don't know, whatever the fuck it's called. The treads are bare. Brewers uses Ruby. Yeah, that's true. Pokemon. Oh man, yeah, I do play video games. I forgot about video games. I play a lot of Pokemon. I started running and I just use cheap running shoes. Yeah, I feel like nice shoes are worth it. Or at least I changed from a different pair of running shoes to the running shoes I have now, and it made so much difference. My knees were so much less grumbly, and I felt faster and less tired. Is Rust a hard language? For me, it's not, because it just borrows a lot of ideas from languages that I already know. Fiddling and finagling with pens. Yes, I do. I don't know if I would count fidgeting a hobby, Void Main, but it's certainly true. It's probably me. I know those. There's not already a random generator. I don't think there is one. Getting into programming without a relevant degree, reckon it's possible. I know it's possible because my brother does not have a degree, and he's on his second job after going to a coding bootcamp. The other source says, now that 3.11 is released, Scientific Packages notice they don't have a 3.10 wheel yet, and they're about to drop 3.8. Yeah. Yeah, the science community tends to be kind of behind on that sort of stuff, which is annoying. Dada dev. Dada dev. Hello. Are you good with databases? I am. I am indeed. Box of Ninjas! Hello. Had an auto-update script running on an old trash can Mac Pro. Ventura proved Yeah, I mean, anytime Apple upgrades anything, I feel like everything breaks. Tamwile, hello. Welcome. Pot of Greed says it's actually awesome. I didn't know regex cross-threads was a thing. We did a huge one on stream. I'm showing. It was this big! It was a hex that was like, I want to say it was 10 on each of the edges. It was a big one. We took like 6 hours on stream working on it or something like that. Strike says, now that the conversation is about regex, I have a question. I was trying to make a hangman solver using a regular expression on the word list. So if the word is something, it's s blah 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 g, using caret s dot g, and fill the letters that are found in the process. So the question is, how could I tell it to not include the letters that are dead on this regex pattern? Yes. So for instance, if your pattern is this s dot omething like this, you could represent your pattern instead as, how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You could represent this as a repeat of 7, and then as you guess letters, so like let's say somebody guessed a Z, for instance, you could represent this as S not Z 7 G $. Or if you're doing it programmatically, like there's no reason to do this, you would just write this out a bunch of times, assuming you're actually generating the code for it, because this will get tricky like as soon as you fill in like letters in the middle. But this is how I would do it. ASICs and Brooks are good brands. Nice. Thanks Marxist Mouse. Welcome to the stream. FizzBuzz has Brooks. 260 miles ran since April. Nice. Golden Line actually has the same recommendation. Nice. How does that work? So this is a inverted character set. So anything that's in this character set here is negated. So this matches anything but the Z character. Regex? Oh, is it this one? Was it this one? Yeah, it was this one. Unless this is a new one. Yeah. Yeah. Unless there are more. Oh, there's a rotator. It's a little bit glitchy. Anyway. Fixer Jank. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Octavius. Welcome, welcome. Enjoyed your video on Pintus Fixers. Yeah, I've been putting it off for a while. It took a lot to record a 20-minute video, but we got there. Ethan says, can I react to get question about code in previous commits? Yes, let's see. Have we done git log -G? We did in a bunch of places, but I don't think we ever talked about it in a specific episode. Name only. Let's see. Easter eggs, nope. GNU long ops, nope. Neat feature in Git. Oh, Git from environment variables, nope. When did this change and how? Yes, this is actually the right episode. This is precisely the right episode. So it turns out there is a video for that, meat sauce. It is episode 458. So check that one out. It goes over some techniques that I use. It's not specifically exactly the question you're asking, but it kind of is. Montoya's Revenge. Hello, hello. The regex, the solution to, and the cause of all life's problems. I think regexes are, once you get them, they're a powerful tool. Now, I don't think they're a universal tool, but they're definitely very helpful. And Doctor says, I remember an episode you talked about it. Yeah, I've definitely used it a bunch. I've used it in 4 episodes now. But this one I specifically was targeting that. Actually, it was kind of recently. But yeah. Did you end up playing my regex game, or did I just ask you if you thought it'd be interesting? I played it. We played it on stream. It was in like the browser, but it was like a Unity game, if I remember right. I remember playing it. I could be making that up. I'm pretty sure we played it. Yeah, it was Unity. Okay, cool. Oof. Not completely losing my memory. And COVID was rough for that though. Okay, I'm pretty sure I wrote down a wiki for myself last time when also I gotta put one more thing in here because I keep forgetting to do this thing, which is Super Chat's Twitch bot integration. Yes, while we're here, I will do that. Oh. The strange maze game with the monsters. Yeah, I remember that. Vimsurf. I'm amazed you remember that. Okay. New Python final release checklist. Oh boy. Also, I'm pretty sure there are things that are missing here. And we will find those. In fact, I know that reorder Python imports is missing here. Lermeister Yoda, thank you for, what's it? Lermeister Yoda. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Citrus, thank you for the resub at 8 months. It's good to see you again. Yeah, it was the saddest weekend. The saddest weekend. It was the most emo weekend possible. Did you at least gamble? So that was the thing. We were going to, but then the hotel we were at made it really complicated to buy chips. And we decided to go to a emo night instead, which was essentially a DJ playing YouTube videos over monitors and just like a bunch of emo people standing around dancing and screaming. So we didn't end up gambling, but we were about to play blackjack, but didn't end up doing it. Shit, what am I doing here? Regenerate, reorder, Python, imports, symbols. Well, and we'll have a PR for that. Were you dressed in emo gear? So, I actually didn't pack. So I learned a thing over the weekend, which is that I am a fake emo. I am super fake. I think I'm gonna readjust my classification of myself of much more in the pop punk realm than the true emo realm. But I don't know, you know, dressed in all black, pulled that off. That's good enough, right? But I don't think there were any photos of that night. Yeah, I don't think we took photos of that night. But I don't know. Fake emo people. No, don't leave me. But yeah, it was fun. Wait, I thought all emos were fake. Yeah, that's the best part about it. Orphish is it's kind of redundant. Sammer the Hammer says just need eyeliner. I should have just borrowed Mel's eyeliner. That would have been way more then I could have been real legitimate. Channel play routine to put eyeliner. Yeah, I'll do my nails too, and yeah. I mean, we did that a couple 12-hour streams ago. Right, I put on eyeliner and did up my nails, and it was pretty fun. You'll do my nails? Yes. I actually really like painted nails, but I don't have the patience to do it myself. They just feel really nice. But yeah, we'll make it happen. Tofu. It is indeed tofu. Right. Yes. Okay. So, man, that was a lot of filler words in a row. What was I doing here? Regexes. Channel play routine for Anthony to wear goth makeup. We could make it happen. I don't have any in my house, so I would have to acquire. I will acquire it first, and then we can do this. How does this thing work? Reorder Python imports. Patch.wat. This is some good stuff here. I seem to remember generate typing something or another. Typing rewrite info. Oh, that means we have to do this in an order. Damn it. Oh. Okay, so this is not first. This has to happen after something. Regenerate symbols in Flagate typing imports. Okay, so let's do this in order. Placeholder for now, because I know we need to do it. Orphish says, do you use Python a lot? I do indeed. What is the 3.11 release party? So, the latest version of Python came out today. They have a blog post yet? They still don't have a blog post. The latest version, 3.11.0, which happens somewhat infrequently. Basically once a year, this is a thing. But it came out today. There's a bunch of new features. Not that they're relevant to you, Citrus, but here's my top 10 things that are cool in this. Most of what people seem to be excited about are the new oh, it doesn't even happen on standard in. Well, that's annoying. Gonna happen here? What the fuck? Why not? Anyway, there's new traceback stuff where it actually points at the position in the error messages. I actually don't like it, but a lot of people find it really useful. Don't call me out like that. We'll just have to teach you, right? This also says, it used to be a fake goth, must dig out some clothes sometime. Avalbona, hello, welcome back. And Eagle PT, how you doing? Def ass? Where did I even put that file? We are there. Oh. Is it in here? What? And of course, find workspace name t.py is gonna give me a whole bunch of useless stuff. Because I name everything like this. Oh my god. Oh, this is probably the one? Maybe? Nope. Just for future reference, tattooed across my forehead. I know, the nerdiest fucking tattoo. Okay, I don't know where that file went. Lost forever. Which is fine. We don't need it. Alright. So, generate the... we should do this in order. Update the new max version supported in setup.cfg. Okay, what did I do last time? Figure out what I did last time and do it again. Change this number. Okay. Setup CFG format. Max something or another. Okay, so the minimum is 3.7 and the maximum is 3.11. And then run the tests because presumably they will break by changing things. That'd be awful, but very fun. I've actually seen people get like physics reference sheets tattooed. And get tattoos from that. Hey, what's up, Stonkfish? Hello, hello. Next year, Twitch will have a sign for Anthony. A Citrus channel point routine. Oh, the test passed. That's kind of not what I expected. I have to update the remedy. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. This needs to become 11. This needs to go away. And this needs to become 11. 7. Yeah, that seems right. Okay, cool. We should also make sure that it passes on itself because sometimes I forget to do that. It does, cool. All right. Pi 3.11 release. Update supported versions. Supported Python versions for updated. Yeah, good enough message. Would you get a Python code tattooed on you? I want to get a semicolon. I want to get a semicolon right here. It's just on my hand. That's sort of programming related, but also sort of not. It's dual purpose. Babby or something, Java, I know things. Oh, that's fucking cute. Game Boy Computer, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Stonkfish says, I was busy making ice cream, so I missed a bunch of stream. Well, let's be honest, you haven't missed much other than me being very sad about Las Vegas. Yes. Updated supported Python versions. Cool, looks good. Get a colon equals? No. Over my dead fucking body. Okay, next thing. Regenerate Flagate typing imports. Harper says, what's the best formula you've written in Python? You mean like the I don't know what you mean by formula. Do you mean like the hackiest, the worst, the well, what do you mean? Define best. The thing I'm most proud of, the thing that gets used the most complicated. I don't know why I jumped to worst. I just substituted the word best for worst. Shit, what am I doing? Flake 8 import inputs. Flake 8 typing imports. Hey, what's up, DV Music? Hello, hello. Babby for both. Git. Oh, I am keeping it together. That's what I'm telling myself. Okay, there should be a little script in here somewhere. Bin build generated. Let's just run it and see what happens. C Python. Wow, they're gonna kill that in 3.12 already? Typing.io is deprecated. Import directly from typing instead will be removed in 3.12. I don't remember what this output means. Also, it didn't generate for 3.11. Okay, how is this thing supposed to work? Tags list. Get defined names. Yep. Okay. Version less than 3.5. Get tag list. Do you not have the 3.11.0 tag? Did it maybe do it anyway? Oh, it did. Okay. The output just sucks. Whatever. We'll fix it someday. Is that a Python on your screen? You're just happy to see me. Oh no. Yep. That best equals most elegant, worst equals most convoluted. I think this is probably the worst thing that I've made. But it's also one of the most popular things that I've made on accident. So you know about f strings, right? Where you can assign a variable and then you can use f to format things into strings. And if you run this with anything newer than Python 3.6, it formats the string and you get hello world. Woo, yay, hello world. What if I told you that we could make this also work in Python 2? Because it doesn't normally work in Python 2, but if we install future f strings and then we put a special comment at the top of the file, like a so. Oops, star. The actual this doesn't matter. You can put whatever the fuck you want here. What if I told you that we can put a little comment at the top of the file, and now Python 2 supports f strings? This is probably the most cursed thing that I have ever written. But it gets like some absurd number of downloads a month. Peppy.tech. Is this what it is? Is this the one that has the download stats? Yeah, this has 7.5 million downloads. And it was downloaded 500,000 times in the last month. Which is just... I made this as a joke. This was created as a joke to see if I could. And the answer is yes, I can. And I'm so sorry. But yeah, here's how it works. This is the code that it transforms it into, and it does this a little bit magically. It registers a encoding. So normally if you have a file, you can put like coding UTF-8 at the top, and it'll say, oh, this is a UTF-8 file. I will decode the bytes using UTF-8, and then the runtime will manage it after that. But you can put your own custom encoding here, future f strings, and as long as this encoding gets registered, it will use that encoding to decode the bytes to text. And while it decodes it, you can do whatever the fuck you want and rewrite syntax. And so the future f strings codec, oops, we need to do Python, ignore that. The future f strings codec rewrites this as a side effect of going through the encodings nonsense. So you can see it turned the f string into the format call. And that's not where the hack ends. Lurking sounds good, sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Always good to see you. I'll see you around, Citrus. Are you streaming today? I haven't checked your schedule yet. So the other part of this that hooks this up is there is this little PTH file that chills out in site packages. It even screams at you, which is the best part. But this PTH file, as long as this line starts with an import, it will get exec'd at interpreter startup. So it registers this codec globally such that you can do this hack. That's how it works. Does it handle formatting? Yeah, it works. It does everything. It is, compliant. So if we have, big old floating point number here, it'll Python2. It'll do the right thing. It works completely, which is fucking crazy. NX says, does it work on less than or equal to 3.5? Yeah. It works on every version. You're not my babe, you're my babby. I thought you were lurking. You just thought of a banger, so you had to come back to the stream to type it in. I got you. Looking for real now, I swear. Man's just hacked Python. It's true. Hey, what's up, Fixer Jake? It's everywhere at Lyft. Yeah, I joined Lyft and they were using this package, and I was like, hey, I made this as a joke. You probably shouldn't be using this in production. And they're like, shrugs, mishmop. It works. I googled f-strings Python minimum version. Oh no. There is a Stack Overflow question that I did. Are f-strings supposed to work in Python 4? No. Well, someone down here is like, no. I'm like, well, I made a terrible thing. Can you explain why this is terrible? Yeah. When is Silk Song? I don't know what that is. I'm satisfied. Hello. That's definitely saying something because you create a lot of cursed things. This is the most cursed of all of them, by far. Wolfred, hello. Good to see you again. I promise I won't try and come up with weird coding, not coding related pickup line. Okay. That's what that one is. Okay, I understand now. So dude, hello, welcome. What's the most important new addition in 3.11? Well, fancy you ask that because you can watch my video where I go over the 10 most important things that were introduced in 3.11. Not me shilling for my own videos, haha. Anastrack says, hey Anthony, what projects do you believe I should make for a portfolio for a Django junior position? I would just, I'm gonna be honest, doing projects just for portfolio is a waste of time. You're not gonna learn stuff, you're not gonna feel motivated to do it, and that's probably gonna show in the output product, and if people are gonna look through that, they're gonna be like, okay, well, you just did this to do this. I would build projects that you want personally, and invest in them, like build them as if you're building a product. If you're gonna be passionate about building something for yourself, like that's gonna show way better than like doing some cookie cutter Django app. But yeah, it's like the people putting university classes on their resume. Everyone fucking did university classes. Putting them on your resume doesn't differentiate you whatsoever. And the projects that you do in university also don't really differentiate all that much either. So it really comes down to like, do projects for yourself, and those are the ones that are going to be way more impactful. Here, hello, welcome. Switch case, well, match that came out in 3.10. An author is obligated to call their own code terrible. I mean, all code is terrible, so it's a little bit redundant. But yeah. Oh, the new Hollow Knight game. I watched the entire video. All I cared about was performance. Yeah, I think that's probably the one that's most important. Whoops. Wilfred says your new clip is going to be your top #1 clip. Oh my god. It's not even that good of a clip. The close your eyes as I say silly things clip. Oh my god, it's already up to 100 views in 5 days. All right, we'll get one more view. Yep, there it is. Nice advice. Thank you. Yeah, no problem. How many of those views are you, Wilfred? You can so, yeah, that'll bring Citrus back from lurking. Thrantax says, yo, I'm gonna need a link to that clip to make it my text alert. Well, you can just go to my clips page and it's the #1 in the last week. Probably the #1 in the last 30 days too. I have good experience with Django, but I'm missing some portfolio. My GitHub is almost empty except for, and that's a big con when applying. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Good thing it has videos, or those sounds would have been awkward. I mean, they're still pretty awkward. Okay. We should have pull request to merge. Yes. Updates supported merge. And we will bump that one. Uh-oh. My light is making a funny noise. I have a strong suspicion it's about to burn out. I have a sneaking suspicion. It should be a big bummer. What was right before this? Oh, yeah. I think this will just be a minor bump. And I'll typo the word minor and it will still work. Good, exactly. PyPI token. My voice is still kind of fucked up too from from karaoke and from emo night singing and screaming. So yeah. No Yain Rain says, if you don't have an idea from the top of your head for a new project, you can contribute to an existing open source one you use or enjoy, like Django. Yeah, that's good advice too. I agree with that. I support that. That's good advice. I approve. Regenerate symbols for Python 3.11. How loud were you singing? Oh wait, you added screaming? Yeah. So, I have 2 volumes of singing. And the second volume you can blame one of my ex-girlfriends in college. Because I always have been the type to sing to myself. But she was like a vocalist person, and I don't know, it was some fancy term for vocalist. I can't be arsed to remember. But she's like, you sing with your throat, and when you sing with your throat, you're not as loud, you don't project, and you get whinier sound, and like the quality is worse. And she's like, you want to sing with your belly, and you'll get more projection, you'll get more authentic sound, you'll have more volume, you'll have more sounds better. And she taught me how to sing with my belly. And when I sing with my belly, I can project a lot and it can be very loud. Thrantax, thank you for the follow. And Zed Leplin, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Zedrius is here. How you doing? The audio is the alert for my ex. Oh no. I want to sing stream so bad. I mean, we did the one, kind of, ish. A little bit, sort of. Not really, but kind of. I gotta figure out a way to make this file not so fucking long. Maybe we'll do that too. Maybe we will do that too. Let's add this to here. Legate typing imports. Figure out how to make not so big. Yes. Margaret, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. You can also find an abandoned project that you feel has promise and adopt that. Yeah, that's true too. That's true. Tofu says, I have many ranges of loudness whether I'm singing or not. Yeah. John, everyone. Hello, hello. Falsetto. I can do falsetto also. Yeah. That is a thing that I can do. Ikagai Deep Sea, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. INX TV says using your diaphragm is the way. Yes, singing with your belly. Yes, diaphragm is the true words for that. You saying yellow card to us? Not anymore. Yeah, I mean, could be arranged, Wolfred. Is that a redesign header on GitHub? So, yeah. So about this, I am in the GitHub Stars program, and GitHub has opted all of the stars into this brand new secret under NDA GitHub layout, and with no option to turn it off. So I'm not telling you any of this. You heard nothing of this. This is secret, chat. Big secret. None of this. You saw nothing. There's nothing here. But what the fuck am I supposed to do? So, you know, if they're gonna opt me into something that I can't opt out of, and I literally produce content, I'm not gonna log out of my fucking GitHub account. What do they want me to do? Nightlight, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But yes, there's a whole bunch of new shit. There's a new code browser, which I really don't like. It has a lot of clicks and it's slower than the old one. There's like a new notifications panel, which is still similar but slightly different. There's this new plus button for some reason. There's a new keyboard shortcut to search stuff. There's a new search. Like if we go to here and search something like, I don't know, Python. I mean, this dialogue is new. This output is new. Like a whole bunch of shit is completely rewritten, and I'm not very happy about it, but I also can't opt out of it, so get fucked, me. Kikusu, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I feel the mid-high frequencies in my natural voice also cut through the air as well. Songfish says, I'm only in for singing stream if you dip your hands in black paint. Well, you'd have to get your neck too, and then you'd do the Tyler Joseph blurry face look. But yeah. Are we talking music in Python? Today must be my lucky day. Recursive kernel panic. Hello, hello. What's new in 3.11? Well, do I have the video for you? I guess the big one is performance. That's what people care about. Yeah. Swills, hello. What the actual fuck, GitHub? Yeah. I mean, Shmeep Shmop, you know, I know nothing. Red Slime Box says, so Python is less slow now. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of true of whenever they release. I already forgot what you said. What are you talking about? I don't know what you mean. What a mess. This is a prime example of fixing something that isn't broken. Yeah. Yep. Because the product manager wanted to do that. Ooh, Conan, guys. Thank you for the resub. It's 17 months. It's good to see you again. 3.17. Actually, is that part of the checklist? No, not yet. But does this mean that there's now a 3.13 on the main branch? Is that how that works? Or is that when it reaches alpha 1? Branches, 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 branches. No, this is still 3.12, right? This is Python 3.12.0 alpha 0. Okay, yeah. We don't have 3.12 yet. We'll have to do that later, though. When I think when alpha 1 lands, then it bounces over? I don't remember. New search seems cool. Yeah, but it's still the bad search. It's not good code search. I still use SourceGraph because it's way fucking better than GitHub search. But yeah. They have the typical modern overhelping the user syndrome. Yeah. Is the search still so bad? Yes, it's still the old search. It's just a new UI. So it's still the shitty search. Afternoon, I don't even know what the GitHub star is. I opened GitHub last week. And looking thing, if I wanted to try experimental features, I feel so special. So there's two there. So you're in the other bucket. There are two new UIs. There's the partial rollout with the feature toggle, experimental feature toggle, and then there's this the full broken version. There's also all sorts of shit that just doesn't work, which is really annoying too. But yeah. Yeah. Footech, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Beetle says, what's new in Python 3.11? Did they finally fix the fact that Python is worse than Rust? Yeah. Yeah, they finally fixed it. That error message is also very nice. It's different. I don't know that it's better. I mean, some of the error messages did improve, but the new like traceback stuff, I'm not so much of a fan of it. But... Shrugs. Features didn't sound that great, so no need to ask me to forget about them. Already did. Yeah. Sling Dev, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Maybe I can stop supporting 3.6 by the time 3.100 comes out. Damn, you still have to support 3.6. That sucks. To be fair, Python is great for scripting compared to Rust, but Haskell is greater at scripting than Star. Last time I tried to write Haskell, I spent like 3 hours to get like argument parsing working. And I feel like doing anything in Haskell is a fucking pain in the ass. Anyway. Mr. Tibbs, welcome, welcome. Thanks for the lurk. Fantex says, now I feel less special. Thank you for giving me the world and taking it away. What? What if I... Oh, about the feature toggle. Yeah. A/B tested until everyone hates it equally. Yeah. The new tracebacks look messy, although I haven't experienced one yet. Yeah, my opinion on the new tracebacks is they take up a lot more vertical space that make it harder to reason about. I think they are somewhat useful in like a post-mortem sense. Like, if I'm seeing a stack trace in a log, the little pointer errors are going to be kind of useful. But while I'm working on stuff, I feel like they just get in the way. But I don't know. I also don't like PyTest's tracebacks. I think they have too much noise. But Wilfred says I learned D as a programming language the other day. Oh, we could talk about D. I don't want to talk about D. I don't want to drama. We're not gonna drama. We're not gonna talk about D. Maybe I can start using Python 3 when Python 4 comes out. Yeah, your work's pretty far behind. Jake says, working on a 3.6 project right now. I'm the main maintainer on the main team, so probably going to try and push it 3.8. Nice. Yeah, there is also V. Yes. Never heard of it until yesterday. Okay. Regenerate symbols, yes. What did I release this as last time? Surely not that. This was 113. That's not what I wanted to click on. They've also made this part worse too. So if I click on a file like this, silly buttons. Oh man, welcome back. Good to see you again. Thank you for the free sub at 16 months and your continued support. Good to see you. They made this link a lot more annoying. It used to show you the commit message here. Now you have to like hover card it to find this, and it's, you know, you can see, yep, definitely working, 100%. And I can't, oh, I got it that time. Wow. Anyway, this is what I wanted to do. Drop this. Okay, what did this get released in compared to this? This was 112 versus 113. Yeah. Okay. So we'll do a minor release for this as well. Merge. Bump minor. Boop. Grab my PyPI token. You must be on some feature preview because I still have the old look. Oh no, yeah, this is part of the whole, like, this is the thing I just ranted about, DDoS. That's part of the full redesign too. GitHub V6 or whatever the fuck they're calling it. Coney, thank you for the follow. Welcome. But yeah, it's all part of the same thing. Regenerate, reorder Python, import symbols. Okay, we're finally onto this one. Been in and out, you know? Yeah. No, it's fine. I don't blame you. Beds and roses. Beds and roses. What's a bedzand? Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Does this mean I need to get off dead snakes? What's wrong with dead snakes? You just need to apt install Python 3 distutils or whatever. This one. Or the numbered one, 3.10 distutils. Yeah, for 311. Yeah, Debian did a dumb thing, an annoying thing. Is it not working? It should be working. Unless they fucking rolled it back. Yeah, try Python 3 distutils if you're on 2204. Then it should work. Google Microsoft fixing UIs. So it's not actually Microsoft. GitHub operates independently from Microsoft. I mean, yeah, they're part of the same financials, but it's different. It's funny how Debian has given all the distro packaging a bad reputation. Admittedly, Fedora does weird shit too. Like the SQLite module is split out for some fucking reason. And God, the SUSE maintainers are just fucking pricks. I hate dealing with them. So they've certainly contributed to the negativity more than a disproportional amount. But I keep trying to work with the Debian maintainers and being like, look, this little patch would give you so much karma with the stuff that you've been shit on for the last decade. It's like just a little tiny thing would make so much difference. But alas, typing extensions upgrade. Someone should make a non-cringe GitHub front end. Shake my head. Yeah, I feel like you could make a dead simple and fast GitHub front end. It's wild to me how slow it is. Well, that's for another day. FreeBSD split out SQLite 2? Yeah. I don't know why that is a common thing. Okay, these scripts don't auto-update stuff, which is a little bit annoying. Could probably make them do that, but it seems like it's a lot of work for not that much benefit. So we're just gonna copy each of these in manually. Ambivalent Bunny! How are you doing? How is your stream? Welcome, Raiders. My name is Anthony. I normally stream open source Python development. I really like linters, code formatters, testing, automation, and that sort of stuff. I maintain a bunch of open source libraries that you may have heard of, such as PyTest, Tox, Flake8, Precommit, Dead Snakes, and 50 other projects. 3.11, Python 3.11 just came out, and so we are going through my typical checklist of updating stuff after the release happens, which is mostly just bumbling along stuff and copy pasting, rerunning, regeneration scripts, and updating some numbers in a few places. Pretty straightforward, but that's what we're doing today. How was your stream? What were you working on? Welcome Xmetrics, who forgot to copy the raid message. F. Intelligence. Intelligent. Wow. Why did I say that really weird? I said it like the Pokemon, like Inteleon, for some reason. But anyway, welcome. Doing pretty good. Got a lot done today. Thanks for some of the community. Nice. What project were you working on? Okay, we need to replace this chunk. I'm pretty sure this chunk is exactly the same. But we are going to regenerate all of these scripts just in case. Oh, I forgot this line here. Dang it. Mitsa says, do you have any new project in the works? I have 3 new projects that I don't want new projects. Well, I keep coming up with ideas. The first one, I have set up all the infrastructure for it, but I haven't actually finished it, which is to make a new GitHub bot to manage some of the common operations that I need to do. Like here, I'll give you an example. This PR is a great example of why I want this bot. So this PR, tiny fix, made a commit. I was like, no, I don't like that commit. They fixed it. The overall diff is exactly what I want, but I want merge commits. Oh, they just deleted the whole doc string. Which is fine too. Because honestly, it's double internet. Of course it does this. But their patch is fine, but they have 2 commits, and I would like this to just be 1. So I want to be able to comment, please rebase, and then the commit message here. Or, you know, by default, Pliz rebase would just take the title of the PR and just one commit, done. It's like one thing that I would want out of this bot. Another thing that I would want is, shit, what else was the bot gonna do? Oh, it was gonna auto close PRs in some cases, because there's a lot of cases where like people will drive by and like update linting, and like I don't want them to touch my linters, or like they'll touch the git ignore or stuff like that. I'd love for those to just get auto fixed, but yeah. RAM portfolio website, learning JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and Flask all at once. Nice, a lot of good stuff. But yeah, thank you for the raid. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you around. Have a good one. Oh, did I give you a shout out? If I didn't, I am bad streamer. Oh no, I definitely did. Okay, good. Whew. Shadi's here. How you doing? Hello, hello. 3 new projects. Okay, so that's one of them. Another one is a coverage system, which I've been saying I was going to do that, but haven't done that in a while. Fuck, what was the third one? God, I need a project to keep down project ideas, clearly. I don't remember what the third one was. It was something. Oh, it was a rewrite of talks that is simple and not complicated. But I don't think that was it, because maybe there's 4 or 5 projects then. Anyway, I have too many ideas, not enough time to do them, and oh, I also have a Slack bot idea as well. But I don't want to tell you guys that one, because then you'll steal my idea. Alright, generate future info. Need Python 3.10. Right, but that one's broken. None type is not subscriptable. Oh. Version 1 is 0. If v.mandatory is none, print KV and some question marks. Oh, future annotations, yeah. If v.mandatory is none, continue. Yeah, okay, cool. Regenerated. Cool. Ideas are easy? Yeah. Terminal UI Kanban board? Oh, I don't want a Kanban board in my life. Ideas are easy, don't feel bad about getting them all done? Yeah, yeah. Jai says, doing well, just got back home and chilling as well. Nice, nice. Tony Abbott's balls. Hello, hello. I would steal it and do a terrible job. Well, I would probably just do it and do a terrible job, so not that different. How the hell do you find the time and mental motivation to work on this after a day's work? Well, I mean, today I didn't work. I just got on and off a plane. I don't know. It's they say like some things what's the word? Energize versus exhaust. And programming is a thing that energizes me. So that's how it works. I don't think this changed at all. I don't think this. Yes, it did not. Okay. Testing generate Python future info. This didn't change either. Generate 6 info. What version of 6 do we have? We have 1.16. Oh, that might have changed. We'll copy paste this in. Bloop. Testing generate tokenize. Oh, right, this is reorder Python imports. Yeah, okay. That one isn't updated then. Pep 580. Pep 585 rewrites. Must be run with exactly 3.9. Why? Why? Sounds we get rid of you. What happens? If-u Python 3.10 version of this versus Python 3.8 version of this. Nothing. Then why the fuck does it require 3.9? Weird. Get blame -w this. This is probably all added in the same command. I probably did this on stream. I was probably distracted. If Py 3.9 plus and higher, reorder Python imports will replace imports which are moved onto the typing module in PEP 585. Okay, how does this thing work? We loop through typing if it has a double under origin and it is not callable. Plus we add things in typing.re. Oh, then this will be an error. Hmm. Okay, I think we can just remove the assertion here and regenerate it just fine. At 585. Don't know why that assertion was there, but apparently it's not important. So. Cool. Stonefish says probably in meetings most of the day during working, not programming. Yeah, that's also true. That's also true. Typing rewrite info. Need MyPy extensions for that one, looks like. We have 312 stuff already? Well, we'll delete 312 when we put it into there. Doo-doo. Alright, let's look at the diff now. Hey, 311. Any literal string, name tuple, never, not required, required, self, type tick, unpack, assert never, assert type, clear overloads, data class transform, final, get overloads, overload, reveal type. That one we bumped the 6th version, that will get auto-pated. Okay. Not a huge deal here. bpy, where is my i311 release? Writing documentation in Microsoft Word. Update typing symbols for Python 3. Hold on. Oh, that was. But something made a weird noise in my house. Hope it's nothing. that's kind of scary. Oh, heart rate's going down. Yep, hello, welcome. Technic Science says, I never thought about it that way. Coding definitely energizes me, but it's good for my mental, physical health to limit time spent programming outside work. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. That is fair. Spooktober? Yeah. Very weird sound, too, because it sounded like something was, like, scraping against my walls. Which, yeah, I don't know what that's about. But drugs. Spooky though. Good code change like a ghost, yeah. Haunting season now? Yeah. Some guy who had someone break in live on stream? That's great. I just knocked on your door to deliver pizza? That would be wild. That would be quite wild. I guess I should probably check downstairs. Because all I did was look outside them. You end up shooting? What the fuck? That's insane. Well, I'm definitely not shooting anybody. Okay, while this runs, I'm gonna go peek downstairs. I will be right back. Okay, we're back. I figured out what it was. The neighbor's kids are setting off crackling sparklers. So that's what the weird noise is. Nothing to be afraid of. Just not a noise I expected to hear. Glorfindel, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. At this time, it's only like 7:45. So dark outside. Matt damn it was a streamer. Interesting. This is how creepypastas are created? Right. 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 And Vols Alta. Hello, hello. Welcome back. We're just waiting to find out what spooky thing is making the noise in the house. Yes, yes, yes. We're here. We're here. We're back. Is Juicebox Hero here? Not at the moment, Chunky Lover. I believe she might be on an aeroplane. But I did hang out with Juice this weekend. If you want your juice fix, here's a photo of us being real sad as our festival was canceled. Yeah. Get off your lawn? Yeah. This time of year? Yeah. Today's Diwali. That makes sense. That makes sense, Deep Sea. Yeah, that makes complete sense. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, that makes complete sense. That is exactly why. Venex says new video with clickbait title? I don't know. I don't think any of my videos have clickbait titles. Everything that's in my titles is legitimately what's in the video. And I'm gonna stick to that. If I ever go against that, I will delete my channel. Nothing in my titles is exaggerated. The thumbnails are just fucking weird though. But Yeah. You're super happy looking according to Russian standard. I mean, I was pretty unhappy about that, but we smiled for the photo, because why not? It helps with the algorithm. I can't take myself seriously if my video titles are a lie. Fix Jake says, sorry to be out of apartment. People be annoying. Yep. Looking to move to North Carolina and rent a house. Super neat of my own thing. Nice, nice. Good luck with that. Hopefully that goes well. Perhaps not coding related, but the most beautiful thing we could ever hope for. Ooh, what do we got today? Sickos Committee. Big Ten West 7-way tie scenario. This is so fucking unlikely. But it would be pretty wild. Given we just signed the lease, but luckily only 9 months, so not so bad. Nice, nice. Okay, let's merge this. Merge. And I want to say we did patch releases for this, but we'll just do minor. Because why not? We'll just do minor for everything. Alright, PyPI token. And we need to update my wiki page with the link to this pull request as well. For example, this PR, and then also regen by upgrade. Whoops. What did I do? There we go. Regenerate by upgrade the symbols. We don't have a PR for that, so we'll do that in a second. We don't have a VF here. Oh man. Pip install, reorder Python imports, and hopefully we get the new version 3.9. Yep, we did. This thing generate, and then we copy this big bad boy. And then PyPI plugins imports. I should really get these scripts to auto do things. D3 is actual magic. I don't see flying carpets. Did you watch the video? There's fucking flying carpets in there. D3 is actual magic though. You have a video titled CD in 15 seconds? Yeah, it's less than 15 seconds. What more do you want? Not inaccurate. Okay. Sure, some test pass. I'd probably stay remote. A lot of where we move depends on where girlfriend can get out. Makes sense. Nope. Pretty sure I already tested everything that passes in 3.11. Yeah, we did it already. Okay. I3.11 release. Regenerate. Import symbols. Looks good. All right, and we need to put you into my wiki page. I was hoping this would get shorter over time, but it seems to be getting longer over time. Oh, actually it does get shorter, because I now do PGO at release candidate, so that is already done, right? Right, surely? Branches, Jimmy. Debian the rules. You know, did you notice how long this page takes to load now? Real annoying. Oh yes, and the find dialog is broken here too. They've hijacked the browser's find and made it worse. And it's like they tell you can press Control F again. You have to press it like 3 times to get to here, and then it doesn't even work. 005. Grumble. Okay, yeah, it looks like I already have PGO there, so get rid of that there. We're actually watching him release reorder Python imports for 3.11. Yes. Well, actually, now we're doing PyUpgrade. We already did reorder Python imports. But yes, indeed. Rifted, hello. Well, my company is the first in the multiverse to support 3.11. What does that mean? What do you mean? Do you have any recs for finding time and energy for side projects? I want to work on them, but I feel tired at the end of a workday. I don't know, stream it. Let's band together and write an AWC GitHub competitor. Hope they give a classic view option. Shit looks boo-boo. Yeah. I absolutely fucking hate when websites hijack right-click or Control-F. Drives me up a goddamn wall. I just want my native... Like, the browsers are really fucking good at this. Why do you think you're gonna do better? Or when they, like, override buttons or drop-downs or, like... just use the native controls. Or scroll. Oh my god, Jerpo. I forgot about scroll. SlingDev, thank you for the follow. Welcome. And I thought there was like the big accessibility push to like kill all this custom terrible shit, but oh, it's just gotten worse and worse. Gotten worse and worse. For whatever reason. But oh yeah, it's also at update day. Yeah. Or slowing the scroll, yeah. Yeah, I remember like 2012 when the what was it called? There was like a whole web design trend of scroll down and animations happen all over the page, and you know you got a slightly different background speed as you scroll. What was that shit called? For the name. Fernando, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Parallax, that's what it was called. Yeah, parallax scroll. Oh man. MySpace custom cursors? Oh man, custom cursors. I actually really liked custom cursors when I was a kid, but now I realize just how tacky they are. Okay, did this. Replace backports where necessary. I really doubt I'm using Tomli anywhere, but we'll check. So I think that's the only new module. Tomli. PyTest is probably gonna be the only one. Oh, there is one. Oh, but it's already done. It is already done. So we don't need to update that one. PyTest is already done. PyTest hasn't been released yet. Oh, maybe it has. We should check that. Tox is already done for that too. Please. I saw that they started preparing the release earlier today. Or maybe it was yesterday. I don't know. The time all blends together. Oh, someone already merged my auto update. I didn't even get to look at it. I didn't even get to look at it. Anyway. But I believe, yes, this one. Master branch of this project has been sunset and will not receive any updates. Oh. Interesting. Bloop, 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 bloop. Ship it. Wait, what was this line here? Oh, that must be the default now. Cool. Playing RuneScape with a custom cursor? Yeah, that's fair. Someone in here made a RuneScape music video. Interesting. But yeah, okay. So his PyTest, the new PyTest has not been released yet. But that's not on me. That's on someone else. Okay, I think that means that... Oh, Azure Pipeline Templates. Yeah, we gotta do that one. I don't think that one's actually gonna work, though. I feel like last time it took GitHub, like, a month to get 3.11 working in Azure Pipelines. But we'll try it. We'll create a PR, and, you know, I'll close, reopen the PR repeatedly until it fixes itself. Azure Pipeline Templates. I guess I should add 3.11 to Frequency I, shouldn't I? Yes, but I should probably not deploy that in the middle of auto update day. Wait until it finishes. It's probably fine, but probably better to not do it that way. Okay, anyway. Job star.yaml. Okay, so there's probably a bunch of 310s in here somewhere. Yes. My lights are making funny noises. So I think what we do is this. 3.11, 3.11. 3.12, and change this to 3.11. I think. And then this becomes 3.12. Oh, that was just broken already. That's great. Is pi next? Is pi next? True. Okay. Why didn't this one require us to update things? Oh, because it receives a parameter and it defaults to 3.9. Okay, well, that'll get updated now. Today we're streaming Fortnite. That one's been there for a while. Should I drop 2 and 3, 2.7 and 3.6 support? I don't use it. Yeah, fuck it. These are my project. My project. I'll do what I fucking want. Goodbye, Python 2 and 3.6. 3.12. What does PyPy do? We'll get rid of PyPy also. We'll just do PyPy 3. PyPy. Let me get rid of 2.7, 3.6. And then PyPy. Yes. Yes. Is it Python or is it Rust? Is it Roost? Big Jake says, I should not eat out, but Wendy's spicy nuggets are calling my name. I have never consumed those. Oh, we also have PyPy 3 here. Is that not a thing? Did I just not mention it? Yeah, interesting. Update supported Python versions. Actually, did I make a 3.12? I think we did. Tab completes. And GitHub, why are you so slow? Because you're written in Ruby. Okay, yeah, that does exist. But I suspect this is going to fail CI because I don't think Azure Pipelines is updated yet. We'll have to wait for things. I'll create that. Actually, this reminds me, there was a CVE in Git. I wonder, well, that red kind of tells me the answer. Oh, we're over 9,000. Hey, let's fucking go. Maybe I'll tweet her about that. All right, Windows, are you still... You're still fucking me. This is so stupid. So annoying. One successful check. Oh, it hasn't run the Azure Pipelines yet. Nice, nice. Dip your fries in the frosty. GitHub is written in Ruby? Yeah, it is. I'll show you my tweeter about that. Did you make a tweeter, Stunkfish, about pre-commit over 9,000? Let me log into the Twitter on my other account and make it a tweet, but not show my phone number. Okay. Hasn't shown the phone number yet. Good, good. Hey, here we go. All right. What did I do last time? When was the last milestone? 7,000 in December of 21. Where's the 8,000 one? Did I not talk about 8,000? Oh. What? It's over 9,000? Pigment stars. That is. Thanks for all the support. Wow. Pre-commit / surely there's a little stars link that I can use, right? Yeah. I'm not gonna link just to GitHub. All right, there's my shitty tweet. Oh. Let me switch back to my account. Yes. Okay. Oh, Azure Pipelines has started. Oh, Azure Pipelines has failed. Right on cue. Yeah, this makes sense. These are failing. Yep. Does not have it. They have 3.9.15 though. Why don't they have 3.8.15? Wait. Wait. Why? This is kind of promising though, because 3.9.15 came out like 3 weeks ago. So it'll show up eventually. You're making dick joke. That makes sense. Azure Pipeline is the best pipeline now? I like it because of pipeline templates. I know I did a video on it. There we go. Why do I use Azure Pipeline instead of GitHub Actions? Yeah. That goes over my reasons for it. But it looks like they're not ready. They're not ready for prime time. But update pre-commit CI pythons. We can do that. I think I can do it entirely from the GitHub UI. By going here. Oh, it's on Ubuntu Focal. I should bump this to Jammy at some point, which means it will drop 3.6. Why did we not update this to Jammy? I feel like there was a very good reason, but I don't remember what it was. It might have been the 3.6. It may have been the 3.6. Or it was OpenSSL? Conda? I don't fucking know. Ilker, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But let's put 3.11 in here. We'll make a separate PR to Jamify it. All right, it's up at the top. They move the damn thing. Add Python 3.11. This shouldn't even be an option because I have branch protection. At least I think I have branch protection. Weird. Hassan Alansari. Hassan, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Legendary developers. I don't know if I would go that far. But sure, something like that. How much disk do I have? Do I have enough disk to even build this? Jasper, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And Sako? What's new with 3.11? Good thing you asked, because I have a video where I go over my top 10 new things. This stream is literally just a pipeline for me to get people to watch my YouTube channel. It's not strictly true. Pre-commit, CI, assertion bit. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Check out origin main jammy. Ubuntu jammy. And then we need to figure out what the fuck we need to change. Well, we definitely don't have libssl 1.1, so that's going to break something. Because this becomes libssl 3. I wonder what's linking against SSL 1. I don't know. Oh, it's up here. So we do this. I know we did this on the other branch, but we'll at least put it in here. Did the courage to make real PRs on live stream take some balls? It's less ballsy than you think. I also fuck up and fuck around a lot too, so like, I don't know. I wouldn't say that it necessarily takes balls. Oh, should I update the default Python version to 3.11? Probably not. I should probably wait a little bit. Yeah. We'll enable 3.11 and then we'll upgrade to 3.11 in a couple months, probably. But I think this is gonna break, so we're just gonna build it and run the tests and let the test guide us to our destination. Docker. Am I gonna run out of disk space? How big is this image? phcr.io. Oh, my foot's asleep. No, foot, stop this. Oh, I hate this feeling. I would like to report a bug. It's my foot. Just another image. How big are you? Latest full. Does it not tell me the disk size? Killing me. Test driven release? Yeah. Oh, my foot. Oh, stop it. Pleakley. Hello, hello. How you doing? Do you think there's a lot of changes to be major version 11? You mean minor version 11? Exit status 100. Libicu 66. What is the ICU version in Jammy? App update, app cache, show libicu. Ooh, is it? So Python doesn't actually use semantic versioning. Why did I type this? This is what I actually want. Libicu 70. These were to match some tool, so we're gonna something's gonna break here. Something's going to break. So we could probably peek around in the Docker file and figure out what it is. Whizzleheart. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. We can see if I already did this. No, I didn't. Whizzleheart. Ah. Ah. The R build is probably what it is. We're gonna have to rebuild R. R language releases. 422. Probably update to the latest. Innocent and trusting. Will appear starting Friday the 21st of October. Like literally several days ago. Final release is scheduled for Monday the 31st. Oh, that's a pre-release? So this is the stable release? Yeah, okay, so we should use this version, 421. Doesn't Python have a minor number in the version? I just checked, I have 3, 8, 10. Yes, so there is a major, minor, and patch version of Python, but Python doesn't use them like that. There are often breaking changes in the minor bumps. And sometimes there's breaking changes in the patch bumps, like 3.8.14 and 3.9.14 had significant breaking changes in that patch version change for the int stuff. If you want to learn more about that, I have a video on that as well. Okay, so we definitely have to do the R stuff. And this is like one of the few cases where a work tree actually makes sense. But I don't like work trees. I'm just going to do a full clone. Languages are Lagaville. So we change you to Jammy. And what else is? Nope, that's R-base curl. Oh. Make install. R version. R SHA-256. Okay, so that surely comes through this build script, right? Arabimo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What errored here? Checksum failed. Interesting. Swift downloads. Oh, we do have 2204. Nice. Jammy, 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 jammy. Docker files. Swift version 5.7? No minor patch? Yep, just 5.7. They do signatures, but I don't like signing stuff. We'll just download it and checksum it ourselves. I was wondering in those videos, what does the big blue button do? What is the blue thing? What is the blue button? Button, question mark. Holy shit, that was slow. That's the only place where we use that. Okay. Let's rebuild you. And 4, 2, 1. We gotta get the U. That is not a useful link. Is your chatbot looking for what is the blue button, or is it smart? It has a little bit of AI. It's not super smart. Oh no. Oh shit. How big is this? How did it possibly free 40 gigs? The disk on this is only configured to be 40 gigs. Oh, that's gonna blow away all the cache though. I think this is gonna run out of disk again. But yeah, the bot has some smarts. There's a few things that it knows what you mean. Smarts, you say? Shh, Dunkfish, don't ruin the facade. We got a pretty good illusion going here. I hate being out of disk space. Oh, I downloaded that so I could get the checksum. Did I get the checksum? Nope. Well then. It's blockchain? No. Over my dead fucking body. Okay. This link that we found here is a better link. No Kuhi. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Which of the projects you're involved in would you advise for a beginner? I mean, where to start in order to try and contribute? I mean, honestly, you can. There isn't any like hard or easy project. Like projects are just projects. Find something that you work on or use or are interested in, and just dive in. There's often issues that are right for the taking. I've got a video about my advice for stuff with open source. Oh fuck, what is it called? Yeah, that one. Check out that video. That has my advice on this. Okay, doing both these at the same time is a bad idea, but we're gonna delete this image. Give this just a little bit more space. This image is getting bigger. You have a command for every possible question? Well, funny you say that. I also produce YouTube content and have made 487 videos in the YouTube content playlists explaining concepts all over the place, from like Python to Git to Linux to Docker to DevOps to whatever the fuck you want to know. You guys ask a bunch of questions in chat, and I usually just turn them into videos. They're really useful because I link them in code review all the time. Oh, I'm still out of space. Oh, damn it. Josh says, what are you building? I am building a Docker image for Pregament CI. Oh yes, here's my YouTube channel. Yeah, I know. I'm building the Docker image for Pregament CI. And it's a very big Docker image, but there's like some special magic stuff that makes it not so big. But yeah. We gotta play the scrounge up a little bit of disk space game. Do I have NCDU? NCDU. Oh, I do. NCDU cache. Hey, what's up, Maniac? Hello, hello. Welcome back. I'm not gonna say your other name. You proud of me? Mozilla pip recommit. That makes sense. Not really much to gain there. We can delete the pip cache. ncdu tilde. What do we got in our home directory? A lot, it looks like. Don't say it, I didn't say it. I didn't say it, maniac. But I was thinking it. 6 gigs in local. What is in local? Oh, we can use the tool. Local oh, containers. Why is there 6 gigs in here? Docker system sudo podman system rune-a. Bad password. Yes. Actually, you're working for Scout APM. Oh, that ain't me. What do you mean 0? Why doesn't prune-a work? All right, we'll do the big hammer. Unknown TTTT, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. So this should be 0-ish now. Still big. Okay, it's 0-ish now. Okay, cool. But I happen to remember that I have special podman settings that get blown away whenever I do this. So I gotta do this again. What are we looking at disk space wise now? 7 gigs free. Where'd my NCDU go? Rust up. Well, that's an easy kill. 2 gigs of rust. Oh, that was almost not what I wanted. Cargo. What is pub cache? Pub is start, right? In aqueduct. Global packages, aqueduct. What is this? Start. Yeah, it's start. Delete you. npm can go away. Talks can go away. We're really kind of decreasing our benefit here. What's in opt? Most of it is the Azure command line. Wait, why do I have 2 versions of Terraform? Why didn't my cleanup thing work? That's weird. Search old Terraform versions. Yeah, why are you not? Curse 1, armor is true, Terraform dash star. Oh, it's Terraform underscore. I work at Sentry. Yeah, I work at Sentry. You can do bang job. Elfenrod, you just finished the red checks. Damn, nice. Have you tried being lazy and resizing the disk? I cannot resize the disk. Resizing the disk doesn't help because I can't resize the partitions. And I'm throwing away this VM soon anyway and switching over to my 2204. I just haven't done it yet. What do you think about hundreds of millions of dollars worth of software using open source tools you've built? Proud, scared? I'm mostly disappointed because I've realized almost none of that value. I've generated millions in value, but received very little of it in benefit. Just kind of the sad state of open source. Properly recycle Terraform installs. I think I'm going to delete the Azure command line because I use it once a year and I can probably just set it up when I do Azure streams rather than keeping it around forever. So I'm going to delete that. Should hold them all ransom. Yeah, that's how you get people real mad at you. I'm not gonna do that. I already have enough people mad at me. I don't need more. Alright. Get grep dash L as command line. So we can do this and this. File ensure absent, and then we want curse true, force true, I think is what I want. What is the dry run for Puppet? I know it's not dry run. Puppet dry run. Is stupid. No op. That's what it is. Nope. 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 Did I find out that Airflow is using pre-commit? By God, are they using pre-commit? Holy shit. They are on something. Their pre-commit configuration is fucking insane. Actual insanity. Yeah. Waiting on those GitHub sponsor only projects? They do exist. I could do them. Squack it. Yeah. Yeah, their pre-commit config is nutso. Like actual crazy town nutso. Contains this many entries which exceeds the soft limit and may cause excessive resource consumption and degraded performance. Fine. My pre-commit config is 9 lines. Yeah, that's pretty normal. Dr. Buckwild, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Why is this taking so long? Are you taking so long? Because it's a giant thing. Green value should be directory. Green value directory should be absent. Yeah, that is right. Pipe 3. This one. Let's see what this one looks like. Is it the same? Recurse 1 rmders true. Oh, that's for tidy. Recurse true, force true. Yeah, that's what I want. Sick. My pre-commit config uses local for everything? You're doing it wrong then. Why is this taking so long? It's a no-op run. Stop it. Just Control C and then run it for real. Exiting. Press F to doubt, or press X to doubt. Exiting. We'll just run it for real then. So I'm used to pre-commit to reject commits that don't lack an ISOR compliant without actually running the tools. It sucks. Yeah, check mode is awful. Don't do that. Use formatters. Check mode is terrible. Why none of my tools support it? But people can't do stupid stuff like that. There. Why are you so slow? Submits a PR if you forget the formatting? I thought Django had set up pre-commit CI. Did they not? Django, GitHub. Not, or do they? Oh, they set it up for one of their repos. Why just this repo? What is this repo? Django channels HTTP WebSocket server. Interesting. Interesting. They don't use pre-commit CI. They probably just use normal pre-commit, which is fine. Which tool did you say I should use? Pre-commit. And pre-commit CI. The tools that I've made, which do this in less shitty way. Why is this taking so long? Yeah, catalog applied. Now what are you doing? I have no idea what it's actually doing. We got 11 gigs free. I think that might be enough now. Hashtag sponsored. I literally wrote the tool. If that's hashtag sponsored, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Go build. You got the Freak cache. Okay, that seems more reasonable now. Rust stuff. We can that's a little bit more reasonable. Probably a bunch of MyPy installs that we can burn down as well. Like each of these is probably a MyPy virtual environment. Yep. We can do find dash name, or is it dash path? Yeah. Then xargs, wait, sed MyPy ip xargs replace dash c uninstall MyPy. UF reading a line. Oh, I gotta do dash y. Metro AMD, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Look at all these MyPys we just uninstalled. Now we have 14 gigs of space. Surely that's enough, right? Terraform is a big one. Interesting. What's big in here? Photocore? What? Oh. Well, then these are all big because of Photocore. Thanks. Delete that, free up a bit. What is big in here? Pandas. What the fuck? Why? Why do I have pandas installed there? Clearly not needed. NCDU is kind of nice though. Imagine seeing a billboard on the freeway like, "Hey, here's pre-commit." Right. Billboards in the middle of nowhere can't be that expensive. I mean, possibly. Metro MD says, just started a boot camp. Heard the best way to code is to watch. Frequency CI doesn't work in Egypt. Had to use a VPN to access. Is just that TLD blocked? Works fine for me. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. I don't have any control over that. Okay, this seems fine now. All right, we're gonna try and build again. After deleting these. Really, I have enough disk space now. Languages are built. Let's do the R build first, and then we'll do the big boy build. Oh, that says focal still. No. Languages are Dockerfile. That says Jamie. Where did we get focal from? What? Oh. I got a CD into this directory? To do it here? Yeah, there we go. Ironfire, hello. Zeldabar says VS Code doesn't accept my Python interpreter, but I can see it on the command. Do you know why? I don't know. I don't use VS Code all that often. My guess is that either you have a virtual app chilling out, or it tries Python 3 first, which is going to be a little bit different than Python dishes version. But I don't know. I don't use VS Code. Or I don't use VS Code often enough to know the answer to your question, unfortunately. Cool. Sorry about that. What the fuck? 84 messages in my Discord? What are you guys doing? 84 messages? Do that later. Alright. Building R from source. Oh, my music stopped playing the playlist I was on. So now we're on to some random chill step thing. What the fuck? Why didn't... What? That's weird. We'll just skip that song because maybe it's buggy. Drugs. What are you doing? How big is this fonts package? Oh, I saw Java in there. Can't be good. What is UCFR and why did it print 4 times? Go Danny Root Certificate Authority. May take some time. Okay. We're gonna let that build. In theory. Wow, that's taking 4 gigs of space just to run that build? Because we definitely had 14 free. Now we're at 10. Oh god, what have I done? Why is this command taking forever? Oh, chat. Why did that take so long? Oh, my computer's sad right now. Podman is taking 103% CPU. What is it doing? K-swap D. Oh, I'm out of memory. What is using so much memory? I have 12 gigs of memory. What the fuck is using all of my memory? Gnome Shell is using 4 gigs. Oh no, that's virtual. Nothing is using a significant amount. How am I out? Where did it go? Where's my memory? Like, I expect to see something more here. It's sorted by memory, too. Wait, oh. Never mind. I am reading this wrong. It's in buffer. So it's still free. We're fine. Okay, everything's alright. Looks like it's a DNS issue because it can reload without VPN. That's weird. XDPXDXPXD. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? This seems to be fine. And that seems to be fine. Is Cloudflare just blocked in your country? Because this is just Cloudflare's DNS. Or are you using not Cloudflare DNS and that DNS is blocking it? Would be my other guess. Oh, we're getting premium CI auto updates. Or though. Oh. I'm gonna merge this but not deploy it. Yes. That's funny. It downgraded setup CFG format. We're gonna ignore that. That's due to caches. Oh, these are just gonna be 4 downgrades. Yeah. That makes sense. Due to caches. I should probably figure out a way to make it not downgrade. But yeah. We're using it in your company? Then you're probably using it wrong if it's not just fixing the problem for you. Would be my guess. Probably whoever configured it had incorrect opinions and now you're suffering from it. DNS being DNS, yeah. Yep. 100%. It's always fucking DNS. Holy shit. Where is the disk space going? I feel like Podman is just buggy then. Like what? Oh, no, maybe not. Maybe it's not buggy, maybe it is just this giant 3 fucking gigabyte Docker image. What the hell? That is kind of nuts. Download more RAM, yeah. Right? 3 gig Docker image. Okay, that's kind of nuts. I don't really know what to do while this is going. I guess we could look at my to-do list. That one's gonna sit open for a while. Okay, we need to look how bad the 404 page, the new 404 page looks. Oh, RKJ didn't finish that. Image the entire internet? No, it's like it's the build toolchain for R. For example, this PR. And then 3 months later, update the default version to that. Maybe not 3 months later, maybe sooner than that, but let's just be... We'll conservatively say 3 months later. Also, chat, I am out of YouTube videos. So I need to record more. Otherwise, we're not going to have videos for the rest of the week. So that needs to happen at some point. Why didn't they make a thing? Why is there no blog post about new Python version? Does anyone know a good tool to catch memory leaks in a Django project? I have not used any of them, but there's the new memory tool, which is supposed to be real good. I've heard this is good. I have not used it myself, but I hear it's good. I have mostly found memory leaks by doing hand profiling and mucking around with the GC module. But I hear memory is good. GitHub seems to have changed something in your eyes. So now our required CI job makes the whole PR report as pending. Even when everything else has failed. Oh no. Oh no. That sucks. Pretty bad. Yeah, we have like a weird hack at work to make pending things sort of happen in the right order. I guess while this is going, I can rebase this person's PR. Yeah, we'll do that. We will do that. That's funny. Oh. Does Sentry catch memory leaks or just exceptions and N+1 queries? So there's a new profiling thing that in theory might do some of that stuff, but I don't know anything about the actual SDK product. Unfortunately. I feel like I should know more about the product, but I don't. And if it doesn't, I don't know, I feel like that would be a pretty easy thing to be like, yo, it should do this, and then you know, at some point, a feature team will build it. That's what I'm telling my stockholders. Well, Sentry's not publicly traded, so unless you have private stock somehow, it's possible. Yeah. Stonks, yeah. Stonks. Yeah. Stonks. Oh, I hope this passes or else I'm gonna have some grumblies. I'm pretty sure I already tested this. And like it doesn't do anything special, really. Yeah. Files each API call, not the project lifecycle. I mean, the performance product could, in theory, notice when memory is leaked. If I have no idea how it's implemented, but I'm pretty sure that that is a possibility. I don't know if it's actually implemented, but it is a possibility. Yeah. Clever Clover, hello. How's it going? Checking all my stuff? No, we already did that. We did that during release candidate. We're mostly doing upgrades to stuff right now. Yeah, we're mostly doing upgrades to stuff. like regenerating symbols and stuff. R Jammy 421. Build R4 Jammy 421. So there's a bunch of data that's in various projects of mine that's based on the Python versions. And so I update that data whenever a release happens. Things like, the typing symbols that are available, or really? Is it gonna be mad because that should have a doc string? God. That's so stupid. Oh, we'll put this part back. I hate doc strings. This is such a nothing burger of a doc string. Lamarcasia and Z Luxy, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Pari, how you doing? What up? How's it going? How you? Uncle Jammy. Yes. Cool. Corporate life. Fuck. How so? What are you dealing with in corporate life? You new job? Yeah, wait, you got a new job recently. Yeah. Please bring me back to small medium company. Are you at least making more money? You'll have to do a lot of setup to get memory to work with Django, but good luck. Yeah, way more. Well, maybe it's worth it. Depends how much of your soul you value. But yeah, I felt that too. Like when I worked at Stripe and fucking hated it. Yeah. Yep, I feel you there. Okay, I forget whether I uploaded these manually or whether they get built automatically. Why have people reacted to this? I don't understand why they would do that, but anyway. Danny Blanco, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Stripe more like gripe? Yeah. I'm gonna tell you what company I work for now, Anthong, but I know I'm gonna get roasted. I don't know. As long as it's not like fucking Raytheon or Palantir. I feel like it can't be that bad. Must be Amazon? That sounds not first. Instagram? That's kind of cool though. Wait, Instagram's not cringe. Are you in the Python part of Instagram or are you in the not Python part of Instagram? I have a few friends that work at Instagram. Or did. I don't know if they still work there. Do you take selfies all day? Just testing the products. No, that's really cool. Instagram's legit. I don't use the product, but yeah, what team do you work on? Yeah, Party's got some good questions. Are you in like a infra team or are you on like a feature team? Feature team. Nice, nice. Yeah, I met with a bunch of the Instagram people at one of the typing meetups a while back. They were cool. Are you implying my question was not good? No. your question was just more yoke than question. Yeah. Okay, while that other thing is building again, we can do this as well. Which means I need to rebase. This is why I want to build my stupid bot. Identify. Mode add this. No auto updog today? It is auto updog day. And I think it's done already. Today was a short day for some reason. Can you tell the product team to bring back the ability to see what people are liking? They removed that for all the boyfriends in the world. That's funny. Great for knowledge consumption, but now it's gone. Yeah. But yes, it is auto updog day. We might look at the stats later. I don't think it's gonna be that interesting. Last week, my PRs didn't come until like 8 or 9 p.m. Yeah, on busy days, they're later. Also, oh, that's weird. I would apply to Sentry, but there's no open positions. Really? Our careers page had stuff recently. That's Sentry Insurance. Ah. Interesting. Yeah, where's our like normal? They had just normal. They had like senior software engineer generic on here before. Ingest in Vienna. Weird. Maybe the position got filled. I don't know. The market's also kind of fucked right now. So check back later, I guess. Rebase F. It. Useless commit message. Just say what you're doing. Don't need period. Get F. Hi, Enlightened. Welcome to the stream. Don't tell me what to do. Imenja, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Why not reword instead of edit? Because I forgot about reword. I don't know. I do know about reword. I just brain do simple thing with slightly more work than I need to. Redimir says, is the market bad right now? Yeah, it's shifted. Well, the global economy is somewhat depressed slash repressed slash recessed. And this impacts kind of everyone everywhere. And so, you know, like the Sentry is a developer services company, so they kind of don't struggle as much during these times. But at the same time, if your customers can't afford to run their business, then they can't afford to pay for other products. So that squeezes that a little bit, and then that squeezes the labor market, and then end up in a little. But yeah, a lot of like Facebook has frozen hiring, Google has frozen hiring. Like a lot of companies have been like, you always need error reporting. Yeah, that's true. That's why Sentry does fairly well independent of the market, but even Sentry, according to the careers page, doesn't have as many open positions at the moment. Facebook, you mean Meta? Yeah. I'm never gonna call them Meta. Meta's a stupid name. Maybe Sentry Insurance is hiding. I doubt that one. Stockfish works in real estate. Oh, poor soul. You're about to get screwed. Why do hard thing when easy thing also work? Well, I mean, the easy thing, the easy thing, reword would have been better, but there are metaverse ads on British TV, and it's like, what the fuck? Why? Yeah, there was like this. There was some shows that were very heavily advertised by the hotel I was staying at in Las Vegas, and it was like brought to you by Jimmy's NFTs or something like that. It's just like, well, no, I'm definitely not going to that. Meta outdid Alphabet and Dorginess. That's true, but legs, yeah. 9 billion in cash that offered buyouts for all of the RE agents, real estate agents. So I'm fine. They're keeping everyone in tech. Interesting. Interesting. I always base my investment decisions on hotel ads. And what they weren't even like advertising the NFTs. They were advertising like these shitty knockoff magic Broadway show things. So it like it was weird that they were like brought to you by Jimmy's NFTs. I don't know if it was Jimmy's. It was something like that, like Danny's NFTs, or I don't know what it actually was. It was some NFT consortium. It told me enough that I needed to know. It told me what I needed to know. It told me enough. I just mangled those two together. Wow. Brain empty. It's been a long weekend. A long, sad weekend. A long, frustrating, sad weekend. What? That thing's good. Holy shit, can you finish already? I don't have time for this. I could just merge it. I don't think it actually affects this at all. Yeah, I'm just gonna merge this. Oh, but I can't, because well, I can do this. Yeah. YOLO. And then we make a release. Oh, I gotta do it inside. Oh, am I gonna be able to do it in here? I'll just copy it out of the VM. Right. I forgot that you can spam donations and get around the timeout. God. Such is life, I guess. Okay, how did I name this last time? Like this? Releases here. Draft new release. Create a tag. 2204421. Yes. 2421. Attach a file. Oh yeah, by the way, the stream that Juice and I did is now up on YouTube, so if you want to check that out, it is there. Can't deny his perseverance, right? Yeah. Would a video suitor trying to ignore his dad telling him to move out of his spot on the bed cheer you up? I will watch. It's a 1-second video. Excuse me, what? Okay. Why is the icon here a green check mark? Oh, because this is the build. Oh, okay, yeah, sorry. I thought that was the current tab. I'm tripping. SHA 256 some are this. Hey. This is why I gotta turn that off. Or I could just set the minimum to a prohibitively expensive value. What am I doing? we go. That is unfortunate. Yeah, well, people will people will fuck around and find out, I guess. 421 seems good. Runner image R latest. Free up that disk space. So last time we did this. Yeah, see, why is that almost a gigabyte, but we only have like 100 megs of containers? I don't know what that's about. But 14 gigs of disk space. Hopefully that's enough. We will see. Oops. What else do we have here? This piece. Exit on error equals false. I didn't even know that was a setting. What? I've never heard of this setting. This thing. Added in 3.9. Okay, well then their shit doesn't pass tests. I don't need to review it then. The Data Science Ninja, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Got this one. Yeah, this is the faster way to do this. This is kind of hard to see in this view. We're gonna do unified. Hey, what's up, Recursive Chat? Yo, Recursive Kernel Panic was here earlier. You missed them. You already know his personality from 2 messages? Yeah. And I almost guaranteed that they will charge back both of those donations, which is why I'm probably just gonna turn off donations. But joke's on them. I have their email address and full name because that's what PayPal gives me. Leak it. They're a resident of New York. Unless there's 2 people that look the same. They played football? Oh no, this is a different person. They pay $2,430 in rent? Why is that public info? Spam their repos? I don't even know if they have GitHub. It doesn't look like they have GitHub. Or it's not under their full name. Yeah. Well, I did find their LinkedIn. Cybersecurity. Yeah, that lines up. That fucking tracks. uh, anyway. Crow, how you doing? They don't let you apply filters to TTS. They do, but I don't know how it would possibly catch those ones. Tell their mom they're being naughty. Yeah. Didn't realize Anthony has a full FBI database access. I don't know why that's. I don't know why that information comes up when you search their name. That shit's just kind of weird to me. But yeah. What are you gonna do? Oh my God, we're doing Conda shit. How much disk do I have? 5 gigs, and shrinking. Oh, hopefully we get there. Hopefully we get there. Hey, what's up, 85 filter? Hello, hello. Red flag, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, that is true. Oh, my head's cut off, because this always happens. Or I could just power stance. Oh no. 4 gigs left. Come on, please succeed. Sorry for a government contracted company too? Oh, I didn't even try looking up their screen handle. Nothing shows up for that. Oh wait, no, maybe it does. No, it doesn't. Eduialolo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Sorry that I messed up your name, but hopefully you're doing well. Dude, what is going on here? Why does this go so slow? Twitter status. He heard you say it's bedtime. Respectfully disagrees. Yep. Yeah, ain't that the truth? Oh my God, it finished. Kind of surprised. How does the test actually work? I think I was supposed to run this. I think I was supposed to run this. Ah. I think not all is lost though. I think I can. I think I can do this temporarily, and do this. It should cache everything. So now we should have the full and the not full. Good. And then I should be able to do bin test. What? Oh no. Oh, this is not set up for. Oh, we need to do bin test wat dash podman. That's what it is. And then we see what happens. It refers all time to be bedtime. Bedtime is the best time. Yeah. Well, it's I mean, dog's job just to sleep. Yeah. Okay. Working so far. Node is probably not gonna work though. I bet that links against libSSL 1.1. Oh. Desk is just very wobbly right now. Also, holy shit, why is my machine like grinding to a halt? What? I don't understand these values. Like, why is it... Like, memory is very empty. But the free value is very low. Like, I understand buffered / cache memory, but why is it making my machine grind to a halt? How do I check? LED which node? Does node not link libSSL? I guess not. Huh. Weird? Neither does Swift. Weird? About Conda. You're just a script. Oh. Yeah, you're just a script. Opt start. You don't like anything fun. Where does libz comes from something, but I don't know what. There's a whole bunch of stuff. My god. I could have sworn that that Swift uses Z3 for something. Full install of Python. I mean, if the test passed, then fuck it. Good enough. Feel bad, but I can't stop laughing. My dog just ran in the door, the glass door. Oh no. Oh no. That's so sad. But also kind of funny. Okay. Token. Previous token is lambda. It is a lambda. Okay. If it's a function def or it's a lambda, and there is next text, and next text is a colon, a comma, or an equals. And the previous text is lambda, comma, star, or star, star. Yeah, I think this is right. I think computing this every time is actually going to be kind of slow. Oh, not actually kind of slow, but function only needs this in this very specific case. This could be simplified with an or. I'll play around with this. I think this is fine though. Actually, I don't think they can be combined because the lambda has special. I'm just going to do this. Bounced off and just kept going. John, everyone's going to sleep. Thank you for stopping by. John, everyone, good to see you again. The bug on my phone where if I mark a reminder done from the notification banner, it closes whatever app I have open. That's pretty bad. Yeah, I think this is working. I'm a little surprised, but I will take it. I will take it. Upgrade to Jammy. Drop within 3.6. Upgrade R. Look at the two things that happened as well. Oh, I should discard this. Why are you conflicting? This. Oh, we need to do this. Yeah. Well, in theory, this succeeded. I'm surprised. Okay, so change those, remove 3.6, add 3.8, remove 3.10, but 3.10 is the default Python. 3.8 is the old default Python. Oh, we had to upgrade Swift too. Swift. Do you know of any resources to prepare for a generic technical interview? I have a few videos about interviewing. 10 other videos. Yeah, you're probably better to just go to... I have a bunch of videos about interview stuff. I wouldn't say that they're, you know, exactly the full guide to interviewing. But like this is a good video as a starter. It's a good video for one part that you would do in an interview. This is my advice for acing coding interviews. There's a whole bunch of like data structures stuff that I go over. Like there's some resources there. I don't know if it's complete resources. Well, it's definitely not. There's no way to get complete resources, but I don't know. I don't prep for interviews, so I don't really know all that. Janelle is also heading out. Well, thank you for stopping by. You should get some actual sleep that's not inundated with the smell of stale cigarettes. Yeah. Okay. Yep, I feel you there. 100% agree there. Where's the... Oh, that sucks. My favorite top bar link is gone. So now I have to know to type in github.com/polls. Oh. That's annoying. And I'm gonna merge this later. This is some of the stuff I worked on the plane. Oh, I guess I didn't do open source since last time, but admittedly, we didn't do that much. I'm refactoring how Pregament CI's runner works such that I can make language edition even easier than it is right now. Right now, if languages in pre-commit have custom default stuff, then they can't be lazily loaded in pre-commit CI. So I need to reshuffle how languages are identified. And I have all the info. It's just I'm doing it in the wrong order right now. I should have thought about this when I implemented it the first time, but I just didn't. And I need to finish this before the next version of pre-commit because the Rust language gains new thinks, and that think breaks this slightly. So I gotta finish this pretty soon. So we'll probably work on this next stream, just to get it over the line. It's a lot of like fiddly refactoring, moving code around, adding tests, sort of thing. But it's needed, so I gotta do it at some point. Did I do anything else interesting since last time? Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I didn't rant about this on stream, did I? Oh, and I didn't talk about this either. No, we worked on this on stream. Yeah, we did talk about this. Yeah, we talked about this. Okay, this CVE is the most fucking annoying CVE. And I don't even know how it's exploitable, but the details of this are if somebody fucks around with the objects directory of a Git repo that's on the machine you're already on, and then you clone it, it could copy the contents of a file that has privileged info in it, which doesn't seem like a problem, other than it like, I guess it would take a file from being potentially 600 and turned into 644. Like, fine, whatever. But the reaction to this CVE is just nuts. So Git now considers any local clone a untrusted clone. And so this means that any tests that deal with like file system Git repositories are like fucked. Let me show you an example before I fixed it in pre-commit of the errors and how annoying this is, and then how I had to fix it. So let's just do git. Let's do this on a branch. Revert -m1 this, and test sub. So any test that makes a submodule now errors with this fatal transport file not allowed. And basically all these tests do is they set up submodules and then try and clone them. So Git no longer trusts itself, basically, is the result of this. But it ends up being really annoying. So I have let's see, git diff origin main first parent. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's right. So basically, well, this patch was less hacky than the first version of this because I found this environment variable that allows you to just ignore the new change. But you basically have to be like, no, Git, I do trust myself. But this broke pre-commit CI's test, it broke pre-commit's tests, it broke some other repo too. CI, pre-commit. Oh, maybe no, I think pre-commit hooks was fine. Or I didn't check it. Well, this had submodules, so surely this would have the same problem, right? Didn't prepare for all my previous interviews, but for whatever reason, imposter syndrome. Yeah, that's a tough one. Yeah, I don't know why these tests don't fail, because I'm pretty sure they do submodule stuff. Submodule. And yeah. This runs git submodule add. So I don't know why this one doesn't trigger the CVE. Or the CVE mitigation. Maybe because the repo already exists? So it's not cloning it? I don't know. But anyway, I fixed that, worked around it in the various projects. And also, we have purged pylib from xdist. So we will, in theory, have a pylibless future in PyTest land. Also, my other patch got merged. My big hack got merged. And no one has complained yet, so that's good, I guess. Gonna be an interesting release. That's for sure. And presumably that'll happen tomorrow. Because I don't think Ronnie has done anything on this yet. But anyway, that's yesterday in open source. Oops, I still need this. But I think that's gonna wrap us up for stream for today. I'm gonna go unpack my suitcase and unpack my brain. And let me do my little spiel and we will send you off to another channel. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode, so check that out. If you missed any part of the stream and you want to catch up on previous streams, you can check out my VODs channel here. Also, we did a special stream last week with Juicebox Hero, where I went over some like basics of setting up a Linux environment, taught her some little things. We're going to be continuing that series on Wednesday, so stop by for that. That will be on Juicebox Hero's channel, so go follow her channel. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I say what I'm going to do, and then we do it. And we did actually achieve the things that we were aiming to achieve today, which is nice. I also announce my streams on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. It's a nice little programming Discord. There's a bunch of fun social channels and a beginner's channel if you want to ask any sort of programming questions, and a bunch of smart people that can help you out with those. But yeah, that's going to wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.